Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn an amazing trick to find and structure of molecule or ion. Okay. So in this, we can easily find the structure of the molecule or ion. Okay. See here. Uh, for example, I am taking sp hybridization. Sp hybridization, the molecules are like a B2 type. A B2 type. A is the central atom and B is surrounding atoms. So the what is the structure of this molecule? Linear structure. Okay, now here lone pair of electrons not possible. So for sp hybridization, that is fixed. The shape of molecule is linear. What about sp2? sp2, okay. sp2, let us consider AB3 type, means without lone pairs. There is no lone pair. What is the shape of this molecule? Trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. Okay. So sp2 hybridization with zero lone pairs. sp2 hybridization with zero lone pair. Suppose sp2 hybridization with one lone pair. Means A B2 means two surrounding atoms. You just assume E is a lone pair, one lone pair is there. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, any one bond you have to remove and keep two dots there as a lone pair. Okay. I am just removing this bond. Okay. The resultant structure will be like this, no? Okay. What is the shape here? Angular or bent shape. You can say it is bent shape. So for that, you must know what is the shape of molecule without lone pairs. Without lone pair, it is trigonal planar. With one lone pair, any one bond you must remove that. After removal of one bond, you will get structure like this. This is angular or bent. Okay. See, sp3, for sp3, AB4 type. A is the central atom, so surrounding atoms are B like this. Okay, what is the shape of this molecule? This is tetrahedral. Okay, so tetrahedral structure without lone pair, zero lone pairs. Okay, suppose sp3 hybridization with one lone pair, means AB3, three atoms and one lone pair present. Any one bond, I am removing this bond. The resultant will be what? The resultant structure will be like this. So this is pyramidal structure. Okay, with one lone pair. With two lone pairs, AB2, E2, E is lone pair, no? So any one bond you can remove from these three. Again I am removing this bond, then the resultant structure will be what? There are two lone pairs of electrons. It is V shape or bent shape or angular shape, whatever. Bent shape or angular shape. Okay, three lone pairs not possible for this. Okay, is that clear, all of you? I am just removing one bond from the structure without lone pairs. Okay, now here without lone pairs, that is tetrahedral, we must remember. After that, if sp3 hybridization one lone pair, just we must remove one bond and keep two electrons. Okay, the shape like pyramidal. If two lone pairs, any from these three bonds, again remove one bond, then it will be V shape or bent shape. Okay, now for sp3 dehybridization, that is AB5 type. Okay, so the structure without lone pair like this. Okay, these three B atoms in the one plane, and one atom is above the plane, one atom is below the plane. Okay, this structure is what? This structure is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, this is the trigonal plane bipyramidal, like this, two like pyramid, no, here like one pyramid, here it is like one pyramid. Trigonal is the plane bipyramidal. Bi means two, two pyramid like um, structures. Okay, trigonal bipyramidal. This is with zero lone pairs. Zero lone pairs. If one lone pair present, what happens? Okay, sp3d with one lone pair ab4e. Okay, so for that I am removing this, here I am removing this bond from the plane. Okay, so the resultant will be, I just writing like this, b b. Okay, I just turn like this to 90 degrees like this. Okay, so what is the shape here? Seesaw. Seesaw. So sp3d with one lone pair, that is seesaw structure. Seesaw, children will play, no, seesaw. Okay, this is like seesaw structure. Okay, suppose sp3d with two lone pairs ab3 e2, two lone pairs. For that any one bond you have to remove. I am removing this bond. The resultant structure, it's like you know, it's like slightly T shape. Okay, na, it's like T, no, one, and I just removed one bond. There are two lone pairs again. Okay, what is the shape here? T shape. T shape. Okay, zero lone pairs trigonal bipyramid with one lone pair seesaw. I removed one bond. Okay, with two lone pairs again I removed one more bond. T shape. Okay, with the three lone pairs you can easily identify here. sp3d with three lone pairs means ab2 e3. I am removing this bond. Okay, so the resultant structure is like this. What is the structure here? Linear structure, linear shape. Is that clear? Right, right. This is about sp3d with zero lone pairs, with one lone pair, with two lone pairs, with three lone pairs. Now sp3d2 with zero lone pairs, with zero lone pairs. It is AB6 type. So A 4B atoms in the plane like this, and one B above the plane and one B below the plane. What is the structure? It is octahedral, 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 like this. Okay, suppose the hybridization is sp3d2 with one lone pair, one lone pair, sp3d2 with one lone pair means it is ab5 e type. Okay, so I am removing one bond. So here the structure is like this. Sorry, this is A, B, these are all one lone pair due to removal of this bond. Here B. Okay, what is the shape here? Square pyramidal. This is a square and this is like pyramid. Okay, square pyramidal, square pyramidal. So for better understanding I am giving like this, B, B. Okay, here you just imagine B. Okay, lone pair here. You just assume I remove this bond. Okay, this is a square and this is like pyramid, square pyramidal. Okay, so sp3d2 with one lone pair, square pyramidal. sp3d2 with two lone pairs, sp3d2 with two lone pairs means it is A B4 E2 type. Two lone pairs means one more bond removed from this, one more bond. So A is the central atom. It is simply square planar. With two lone pairs it is square planar, square planar. Okay, zero lone pairs octahedral, with one lone pair square pyramidal, okay, square pyramidal, and with two lone pairs, that is square planar. Okay na? What about sp3d3? sp3d3 with zero lone pairs. It is AB7 type. So A is the central atom, B. Okay, this is the pentagonal ring, pentagonal 5-membered. Okay, so above the plane 1b and below the plane 1b. Okay, so this, the structure is pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. This is a pentagonal structure, and it's like pyramid. Okay, two pyramid like structures, above one, below one. Okay, pentagonal ring is there and two pyramid like structures are there. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay, if sp3d3 with one lone pair, it is AB6. Okay, I am removing this bond. Actually, after removal of that bond, this structure, it look like what, octahedral, right? Okay, actually it is like octahedral. We have just seen in the sp3d2 hybridization, but some distortion will be there. It's not exactly octahedral. This is distorted octahedral. Okay, this is the simple way, simple technique to find the molecular shapes. Okay, thanks for watching.